The Ati-Atihan Festival. Ati-Atihan Festival is a vibrant and colorful celebration held in Kalibo, Aklan, Philippines. It is one of the country's most popular and oldest festivals, with roots dating back to the 13th century. The festival takes place in January, typically on the third Sunday, and lasts for about a week. Ati-Atihan is derived from the Visayan term, Ati-Ati, meaning, to make like Atis, or, to mimic the Atis. The Atis are the indigenous people of the Philippines, and the festival pays homage to their culture and traditions. It is also known as the "Mother of Philippine Festivals", as it has served as an inspiration for other similar festivals across the country. The festival features participants, known as Atis, or Ati warriors, dressed in vibrant and elaborate traditional Visayan attire. They paint their faces with black soot, representing the dark skin of the Atis, and adorn themselves with accessories made of indigenous materials such as shells, feathers, and beads. The participants also carry native weapons like bows, arrows, and spears. The highlight of the Ati-Atihan festival is the street dancing, where thousands of participants form groups and dance to the rhythmic beats of tribal drums and other traditional instruments. The dancers move in synchronized steps, swaying and jumping to the lively music. The streets are filled with energy as locals and tourists join in the revelry, cheering and clapping along with the performers. During the festival, the participants chant, "Hala Bura", which is a phrase used to express enthusiasm and encouragement. The streets are decorated with colorful banners, streamers, and native materials, creating a festive atmosphere. The celebration also includes a procession featuring the Santo Niño, Child Jesus, as the festival has strong ties to Catholicism. Aside from the street dancing, the Ati-Atihan festival offers various cultural activities, including traditional games, parades, beauty pageants, and food fairs. Visitors can indulge in local delicacies and immerse themselves in the rich cultural heritage of the region. The Ati-Atihan festival has become a major tourist attraction, drawing both domestic and international visitors who want to witness and experience the lively festivities. It serves as a vibrant showcase of the Philippines' cultural diversity, promoting unity, camaraderie, and pride among its people.